making chicken and rice, and I'm about to season the chicken. First, we're gonna use the Sazon.
Let's see it.
The Sazon.
Sazon.
Let me open it. Just sprinkle some on. The good Sazon. Next, we're using the Italian seasoning. It's gonna go on the chicken. Be really dummy.
Just a little bit of that.
Like that
Ain't
much.
making Italian.
And then now this pepper. We're done.
Stir.
Oh, where's the stir?
Over there, that wooden spoon.
Oh, right here. Now we gotta stir the chicken in with all the seasoning. Gotta mix it all in because we all need all that seasoning. The seasoning makes it really good. You need all the seasoning we can get. That good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're done seasoning.
And you show them the rice.
And this is the rice. That's gonna go with our chicken. It's very good.